Oh, can you do a yoga pose?
What should I do?
Tree pose would be nice up there on the mountain. Yeah, don't tumble.
Yeah, right? Oh, wait. Oh. You have an impromptu pose. Are you videoing me?
Uh-huh.
You are?
The whole time.
Oh, it's nice and warm up here. I'm contemplating what I'm going to do. Woo! Okay, focus. How about crane?
Crane's good. Fly, crane.